Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a project share with you guys today. So I am working on the tiniest bit of space that you can imagine. My desk, this is all the space that I have to work with because everything is just, I've got so many projects in the works, and I'm really glad to get this one out of here. So this one's getting mailed tomorrow. This is a 6x6. Actually, it'll fit 4x6 pages, so like the pages themselves are slightly bigger than 6x6. And so the album cover is about 7x7. But this is for the Rosa Kelly scrapbooking challenge. It was a Christmas challenge to make a 6x6 photo album using pocket pages. You had to have 2 tags. I forget what else you had to have. It had to be in a certain color theme. So you had your choices. You could do like Santa baby colors. You can do like a blue and white or traditional green and red. So I chose traditional green and red because I really wanted to use this paper pad from Michaels, which is called something Freeze. It's called Say Freeze. Really, really cute paper pad. And so that's what I use for this. And I also use the Paper Phenomenon 6x6 paper album. It's the one that goes in the house. She used the graphic 45 Christmas paper. It looks like A Christmas Carol. That's the one that I used. And I actually made that box and it came out really cute, by the way. But anyway, this is the album. So what I did for the front cover, I'm pretty more of a clean and simple, and Rosa Kelly does a lot of shabby kind of stuff. So hopefully whoever gets this will like it because it's definitely a little bit cleaner. For the front, I just made a kind of a frame. And so the frame has one of the cut aparts. It has a snow globe cut apart. And inside, I have some shaker bits. It doesn't shake really well. I did 2 layers of foam, but I just think that I need like the Brutus Moore foam, something a little taller because it doesn't shake really, really well. And then I used some of this tinsel trim that I had in my stash along with, this is like a corduroy ribbon. It's really pretty. And then for the spine, all I did for the spine was I used this rose trim and had this one little black rose there. And then the back is finished with that same corduroy trim. And then it has a ribbon closure. And there is plenty of room in here for pictures. I don't like when there's no room for that. So when you open it up, there's a pocket right here, and I just used a pocket, one of the cut aparts. And then I have shown this before. This is a tag that I had made because I have to make 2 handmade tags. I think there's 3 or 4. And then right here is a little place, like a little tuck spot, and I've got a tag, and a couple of journaling cards here. And then all the pages I have lined, or the pocket pages I have lined with this tinsel trim. So right here is just a pull out for picture, fits a 4x6 photo. And then the back looks like that. Just fits right in here. So there's lots of places for pictures in this one. I just used a card here, and then here are places for pictures, there and there. And then I have this here. And then this underneath is a place you could put a picture, and it's not sealed all the way, so a picture will fit right under there. And then here is a pocket where I have a couple of tags. So I've got this tag, which is really cute, using Julie Nutting. And then I love this tag. So this uses that snowman that, did I share that in another video? But this is a tonic snowman. And then this is another tonic die as well. And I love how that one came out. It's very pretty. And that just fits right in here. And so what I did was, at Tuesday morning, I had purchased these red glittered stars. So I just, adhered that down with one of the little cutouts there. And then here, this is an interesting piece because it can fold it can fold out. But it also comes out. So it comes all the way out. So you can enjoy the piece or, you know, put your pictures on it. I'm not going to pull it all the way out. And then it goes back like that. So this piece comes out. You can use it. You can put your pictures in it pretty easily. And then you can slide it back up. And then here, I just opted not to put anything here because I didn't want to cover up the snowman. And then here we have a couple of things here. So this one is like a journaling spot. You can put a picture here. And then we have our photo. And this is just a card from, I think it's like a Heidi Swap Christmas. I don't know what it is exactly, but I had gotten it from Tuesday Morning. Came with a bunch of journaling cards or Project Life cards. And so I just used one of those as my spot. And then I just used some, I just cut out pieces from this paper, and I just adhered one in each corner. And then there's a poinsettia from Tuesday Morning there. Another one of these journaling cards here. And then this is open for a photo. And then here, I just use, this is just a cup that I think I stamped and I cut out from Lawn Fawn. This just says Noel. This is from the Fa La La collection. And then here are a couple other little tags. And then it goes like this. And then this little piece pulls out. And so I just used one of the very large journaling cards that the collection comes with. And then I put some copy paper in between some cardstock. And then I sewed it. And then I create a little spine. So it's like a little journaling book. Or you can put pictures in it, however you want. But it's, I made that. So that goes in here. And then here, this little snowman cut out. And then here is some places for photos. And then I just slide that in here. Okay, so then we've just got some paper here. And then right here. And then so a couple tags. So there are definitely more than 2 handmade tags in here. So and then here, and then this piece flips like this, and then it slides all the way out as well, which I won't show. We've got this right here, another pocket, and then it pulls out. This was a labor of love, guys. Different ways to put pictures. And then this is a really large journaling card, and all I did was kind of cut it out. And now it's a tuck spot. Slide something in there, a picture, whatever. And then here, I'll pull this one out. This is just a mat. So, and then I used, it had some like border pieces, which I just cut out and I mounted on foam so that it could be stoppers for some of my pieces that are like this, these belly bands, so things don't fall out. And then here's what this side looks like right here, a little bit of. And so that is my 6x6 mini swap. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy with Creating with a Heart.